going today? Hopefully everyone had an awesome day. I'm just doing an update on my EDC, my everyday carry. I have carried this for at least a couple months now since I got it. I must say it has held up pretty darn good. It's a 3V gear posse sling pack. Alright guys, we're going to go over what's inside here. Just a little bit of paracord. Flashlight. Anchor battery bank. I also have one of these in my belt bag. Right in the rain, all weather boot. No type. Bandana. Just a cheapy folder knife. Card tool. Few extra dollars. Chapstick. Monkey fist. Lighter. Signal mirror. Okay, this is a whistle. It's Camillus. It's a whistle. It's got magnifying glass, mirror, compass, a light, multi-use. Another solar battery bank by X-Dragon. And that's all in my sling pack. Obviously, I carry my phone, my wallet. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to let you guys know that that pack did hold up. I do have a neck knife here that I carry on the side. So thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day. Let me know what you guys think.